Hello all of you! Welcome to my lesson series on hotel management. In this video, I am going to introduce you what is a hotel, and also I'll give you the types of hotels, and we shall discuss what is hotel management. Further, I will clarify the difference between hotel management and the hospitality management. And also we shall see the key departments in a hotel. So enjoy the session. Hotel means a place that has rooms in which people can stay, especially when they are traveling a place that provides food, lodging, and other services for paying guests. So we can define a hotel as a commercial establishment that provides paid accommodation, meals, entertainment, and various personal services for travelers and tourists in a short-term basis. Finally, we can understand that a hotel is ready to offer things on commercial basis that are customarily furnished within households but unavailable to people on a journey away from home. The process where the guest announces his or her arrival at the hotel is known as check-in. It also can be described as the process of guest registration at the reception desk. Generally, all hotels follow standard check-in and check-out time, 24 hours, 12 to 12 noon in next day. Check-out process is where the guest announces his or her departure from a guest room of a hotel. The word check-out normally refers to the departure or vacating of the room from the hotel. The checkout process includes settling and checking the bills for the guest and collecting guest feedback. There are various necessary formalities during the checkout process to be done. Therefore, some hotels provide express checkout facilities also in order to avoid long queues at the reception desk. The checkout peak hours start from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you ask me how many different types of hotels are there, actually I have to answer that there is a definitive number of hotel types to choose from. As the industry evolves to meet the needs of modern travelers, new hotel styles are popping up all the time. But for study purposes, the hotels are classified according to the hotel's size, location, target markets, levels of service, facilities provided, number of rooms, ownership, and affiliation, etc. Besides these classifications, hotels are often classified with the star, diamond, or crown system, depending on geographical location. Hotel classification is a vast topic which should be discussed in further. So here I will name you few most popular types of hotels as they are introduced in common usage, and I'll explain the hotel classification in another tutorial in detail. So let's see what is hotel management. Hotel management is about taking responsibility and providing leadership to ensure the hotel trades profitably while guests' expectations are exceeded. All the departments in a hotel are categorized into two sectors. They are revenue centers and support centers. Revenue centers are those that sells goods or services to guests, thereby generating revenue for the hotel. The revenue centers also known as the front of the house departments. And the support centers. These do not generate direct revenue but provide important backing for the hotel's revenue centers. They are also known as back of the house departments in common usage. Revenue centers includes front office, food and beverage outlets, room service, retail stores, spa. Meanwhile, support centers include housekeeping, accounting, engineering and maintenance, human resources division, and security. For examples, food and beverage outlets cannot sell foods where the floor is not being cleaned by the housekeeping department. If not, the front office cannot sell a room which has a broken AC which is not being repaired by the engineering department. So, support of these support centers is highly necessary to generate revenue to the hotel. There are two key ranks to be highlighted in hotel management. At the top of hotel organizational structure, we can see General Manager, GM. General Manager sits at the top of a successful hotel business. It is an exciting and rewarding role, and one that is in high demand as the world's leading hotel brands accelerate the roll out of new hotels and concepts. Next, we can highlight Revenue Manager. The Revenue Manager is pretty much the number 2 position in hotels, behind only the General Manager. As its name suggests, the role is all about maximizing revenue from the property. It's a very common question that is the hotel management different from hospitality management, or is that the same? So we shall see what's the difference between hotel management and hospitality management. Hotel management, as the name suggests, it is a discipline focused on functional operations of a hotel. But the hospitality industry has a much wider focus. Hospitality industry is referring to the companies or organizations which provide food, drink, accommodation to people who are away from home. So hotels are one such industry. But hospitality industry also includes other parts of the travel industry, including travel agencies, airlines, homestay, so on. In fact, managing any customer-facing sector where making a good impression counts under hospitality management. Let's identify the key departments in a hotel. Rooms, as the core product of a hotel business, are managed by the Department of Rooms Division. Rooms Division usually comprises two major departments, front office and housekeeping. In fact, A typical structure of rooms division also comprises other subunits: reservation, telephone operating, and concierge. However, this is not same in all hotels, particularly some small-scale hotels may not have a rooms division separately due to their limited room numbers, and the operations may handle by the front office or human resources. Front office department or the front office. It is the welcoming phase of the hotel, and also it can be introduced as the nerve center in a hotel. Front office team handles check-in and check-out process, as well as answering any questions the guest may have about their stay. Interpersonal skills are absolutely necessary for a front office role, as very often this is the only face-to-face contact the hotel will have with its guests. The housekeeping department is responsible for cleaning and maintaining the guest rooms, public areas, office spaces, and back of the house areas in the hotel, so that the property is as fresh and attractive as its first day of the business. It is also supported by numerous surveys conducted by the hotel industry, which constantly indicate cleanliness as the prime factor in guest decision of selecting a hotel. The food and beverage department provides food and beverage services to the hotel guests and visitors to a variety of outlets and facilities or the services. For examples, we can see bar, coffee shop, restaurants, banquet service, room service, which is also known as in-room dining, and cake shop, etc. Hotels need talented staff, and the role of human resources is to find, attract, and retain them. So the human resources, if not the personnel and training department, is responsible for hiring, orientation, training, wages and benefit administration, labor relations, employee relations, and other staff development activities. The main functions of the sales and marketing department involve generating new business for the hotel, coordinating advertising, as well as sales promotions and public relation activities aimed at enhancing the hotel's image. Finance or the accounting department is responsible for monitoring all the financial activities of the hotel. Their duties include overseeing accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, and cost control system. Meanwhile, keeping the records of assets, liabilities, and financial transactions of the hotel, and handling guest inquiries about billing. The engineering department or the maintenance department is responsible for maintaining the physical plant machinery of the hotel, such as electricity, plumbing, air conditioning, heating, and elevator system, so and so. The engineering department also oversees all the mechanical and technical conditions of the hotel. Finally, the security department is responsible for implementing procedures which aim at protecting the safety and security of the hotel guests, visitors, hotel employees, and the hotel staff. Their duties include monitoring surveillance equipment, patrolling the hotel premises, and maintaining the alarm system. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching.